Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate CBQ mobile banking. Explain in very simple terms, step by step. Open the CBQ app and make sure you are logged into your phone. Now enter the required details such as your Qatar ID or customer ID, your CBQ debit card number, your date of birth, then tap continue. CBQ will send you one time password, also called an OTP. Enter the OTP code on the screen and tap confirm. Now you will be asked to create your username or strong password. Make sure your password is secure and easy to remember. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.